Yoga Sutra 1.9 Sabda Jnananupati Vastusunyo Vikalpaha. Imagination consists of a usage of words that are devoid of actual object. So Vikalpa, which is the imagination, is one of the vikaras, which is the mental instrument. Vikara, mental instrument, means that part of the mind which is engaging with the object of focus. So Vikalpa is one part. So, and the imagination is defined here. That the imagination is a usage of four words or concepts that are devoid of an actual object. So imagination is good tool when there's dharana concentration practices, when one is one is setting the target for a focus. But imagination doesn't really work on the deeper level of the practices. Because the problem with the imagination, more deeper you go to the imagination, more deeper you are in the imagination, which is not actual object. So imagination doesn't lead towards the object of meditation, but imagination may help to set the target. But if I just start to meditate the imagination, you imagine the chakra or something, you focus on that imagination, that doesn't lead to actual realization, that leads to the deeper imagination, which can be one point, it can be lead to that one start to believe one's imagination. One imagine the chakra, and example, and one do that regularly, and then one start to believe in one's own imagination. One makes the imagination that imagination so strong that one kind of sinks into that. So you can see that in a classical yoga they don't so much use this. Is very not so much use this imagination. But when you observe the modern way to do things, many times we rely on this imagination, but that doesn't have so much value for the actual practices of dharana. Yoga Sutras Ki Chai.